Hi guys, welcome to my product review channel. This is Khadi's digital marketing. So today we're going to review another product called Buyer Traffic Hijack. So it was created by a guy called Agona. So he's one of the top affiliates on Warrior Plus. So if you want to take up a product where you'll be able to push a lot of traffic to your affiliate links and your product that you're offering, so this is the product that I think you'll be interested in. So I'm gonna take us through as to how to go about increasing your traffic using different channels. So if you're interested, just stick with me in this review and let's just get to it. So this is my bonus page, guys. So let's just go to the bonuses. The first bonus is Access Polaris Pro. So this bonus is a traffic building tutorial. It will help you how to gain more traffic. The second bonus is cash in using Amazon product. So this tutorial will show you how you can use Amazon to drive traffic to your products that you're offering on Amazon. The third bonus is content curation hack. We all know that creating content can be a bit tricky, but with this hack, this tutorial will show you different ways on how you can create content on your YouTube videos or on your web pages. So it's up to you, but it'll help you to create content. The stealth bonus will help you to make sure that your video is ranked on top of the the gurus of affiliate marketing. So these are great bonuses. So if you're interested, guys, you can just grab hold of the bonuses by clicking on the red button. This will take you to the sales page, and from the sales page you can select the take up button, which will take you to Warrior Plus. That's where the product is hosted. But just to proceed, we'll go through. I just want to go through the sales page so that we can just talk about this product more. So this is the sales page, guys. Like I mentioned, this was created by Agona, and how this will work is the benefit is even a newbie can use it. So basically what is happening, Agona will show you the two methods on how you can drive traffic, regardless whether you just want to be on camera. If you don't feel comfortable being on camera, then you can use the paid methods, like driving traffic using your Google ads and all that. And he'll also show you step by step on how you can create bonus pages, because we know that potential customers, they are keen on bonuses before buying the product. They just want to see what is in offer and what are the extra bonuses that are offered with the product. So he shows us that as to how you can drive traffic using YouTube videos, and also, as I've said, Google paid method and the organic method. So let's just check more benefits. It gives you 30-day money back guarantee. So I won't just go through everything, but there's a case study here where it shows you this is the amount that he was able to make using this particular training. So this sounds interesting. So but for now, let's just go to the prices and see how much will this product cost you. So the first front end price, it's $9.95, which is not bad. Access the powerful Buyer Traffic Hijack software and training modules. It will give you access to the training and the bonuses. And the done for you campaigns for $37. This done for you campaigns and advanced training will show you an advanced method on how to double your earnings. And the second upsell are the done for you easy profit. So Agona's team will personally set up $100 daily method from A to Z on how you can get traffic and monetize your products and offerings. And done for you 3 is done for you emails. This will help you to build your email listing. And number 4 is the reseller's right. This will give you the license to sell Agona's product as yours, so you can get 100% commission. And the done for you 5, the last one, which is $197. With this upgrade, you will get access to buyers traffic of 7 bigger affiliate. So these are the prices, and this is my review for buyer traffic hijack. If you feel that this is something that you're interested in, as I've said, click on my description link, and please like, subscribe, and comment, as this is a product review channel. And if there are other products that you want me to review for you guys, just let me know. Until we meet in the next product review, thanks for watching my product review, guys, and thank you. Cheers.